This is John Mulligan. I'm at Search Engine Strategies New York 2009, and I'm here with Stacey Helman from Microsoft. How's the show going so far?
So far, so good.
Well, you just came out of a really good panel on advanced advertising techniques. Maybe you could talk a little bit about this tool that really caught my eye, because I'm an old Excel geek. It's the Excel add-in tool for 97, but it's backwards compatible, right?
Yes, so it used to be called the AdCenter add-in for Excel 2007, and now we've also released a 2003 version. So it works on both sides. Go ahead.
Okay, so the tool itself looked as though it was doing like live data pulls based on queries that you performed in Excel, and was actually putting out in an Excel friendly format, obviously, all of the keywords and all of the bids and all the information that someone might want, like down to the demographic level, right?
Yeah, so you can just type in a couple of keywords and highlight them and then push a couple of buttons here and there, and it pulls the data from our services platform back at Microsoft and just populates all of the data perfectly formatted just in literally seconds.
See, what's useful for me looking at something like that is that, I always found myself like going off onto someone else's web-based platform, trying to mess with all their tabs, like wrestle with their interface, and then pull things back and then transpose it onto other worksheets that I'd been doing. But something that automatically pulls into an Excel document where it, of course, was always going to live, like seems as though it could save a huge amount of time in the workflow.
Yeah, I mean, we really leverage the Excel platform. We realize that search marketers spend most of their time in Excel, so we just built this right in, and it's an application that just adds another menu within your existing Excel interface. So it's already right there. You can just easily, ship it off and send it to your boss and make it look like you did hours of work.
And I saw you had some graphs on there. Does it automatically make the graphs for you?
It can make the graphs, yeah. It's an option within the interface itself to display graphs with every output.
And now that's a finished tool, but you also pointed towards, what was it, the Tools Lab or something?
Yep, AdCenter Labs is another site, and it's more of an incubation site. So it's kind of an area where we're testing things, and it's just adlab.microsoft.com. So it's a site where we have just a number of tools up there that aren't quite as pretty and finished as the AdCenter add-in for Excel, but still really cool tools that you can take a look at there.
What's the most interesting tool that you've seen come out in the last few months?
That's a good question. So we actually have a lot that are that's outside of keyword research and into like the video and display side of the business, which there's some cool things there. But I think on the keyword front, the search funnel is probably our most popular tool, which shows you how users are actually searching. So you can say from one keyword to the next, what did they actually search on?
Oh, so like specific, you can see the whole chain and try to capture them at multiple points.
Exactly. Yeah. So you can really understand, how many keywords are going into your ultimate conversion. It's great.
Oh, cool. Well, thanks. You were the tool person on the panel, so that was fun. So that's more technology for the ad crazy people out there. Stay tuned for more from Search Engine Strategies New York 2009. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.